Hi guys, this is Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. If you haven't been here before, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click on the subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. So I don't know why these are turning yellow at the top. If somebody know, let me know. I don't know what's in this soil. Can't remember what I planted here last year, but they are flowering, so that's a good thing. But you need two, and this one ain't flowering, so I might pull the flowers out of that one. And this is the third one, because I found it in case one of them didn't make it. I put a third one in here, but I'm not going to leave but two in here. And hopefully they can survive in there with one another, because they get huge. Got another marigold over there. It looks bad. This bed, I don't think, something's wrong with this bed. It just, every time I put something in here, it don't do too good. This looks like it's dying too, so I don't know what's wrong with these beds, but they are not looking good. This is a Anaheim, and it looks sick. I think I'm going to take some compost and put it around the bottom of it so it doesn't die. It's the only one. Well, no, because look at this one. So it's lacking something. So I'm going to put some compost around it today and heal it up. And hopefully it comes back to life, because something is sucking the life out of what's in this bed and that bed. Same thing with this tomato. I don't know what in the world. I've never seen that. And look, and it's dying. So that's not good. I don't know what that is. Somebody know, let me know, please. Anywho, this is a black Hungarian pepper. This is a poblano. Yeah, they're not looking good. These are all mystery tomatoes, except for this Mr. Stripey, which I think this one is the Mr. Stripey too. Maybe that one down there on the end, because it can't get two in the pot. Even the flowers, look at the flowers turning yellow. So either something sprayed on them, or they got a deficiency. But I've never seen a yellow deficiency, so let me know, somebody, please, if you know, because I don't want all my tomatoes dying out. Look at this one, same thing, turning yellow. Not good. That is the end of the video. I thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.